than anything I've ever known. We live in seasons like the weather, but one thing's constant all along. I don't think that I could find a better way to spend my time than spending it all on you. Things may come and take me far away from you, but you hold my heart. I thank the Lord when I have you in my arms. When I'm feeling lost or running low, I sink into your love just like a stone. Even if I'm miles from you, I know wherever you are, I call home.
You're the woman I'd been waiting for my whole life, and I dreamed of having a wife since I was 13 and thought it was going to be forever until I got married. But now look, I'm marrying you at 20, and I'm so blessed to have found a woman that's always treated me with the most loving and caring intentions. You're truly amazing. I couldn't have found a better woman to spend the rest of my life on this earth with. I'm so lucky to have spent the last 3.5 years with you, and the last 3.5 years have been the most fun and happiest years of my life. From going out on dates and smiling so much that it hurt by the end of it, and all the many, many ice cream dates we had, obviously. LOL. To the nights we just parked and turned on the radio and danced on sides of the road, and especially the nights when we would just wait for your mom to go to bed so we could just turn on Johnny Test so we could have some alone time together. I'm so glad I got to experience all of that with you, and I can't wait to experience so much more with you in the many, many God-willing years ahead of us. Leah, I love you, and I will love you forever.